Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm doing this video in a very awkward position, but I just got home and I just got my package. I just ordered this from Bloomingdale's.com and it just came in a very flat box. And let me show you what I got. So, I got the MCM medium Liz shopper. Let me just confirm. I think that's what it's called. If I'm not mistaken. I am. I will let you know. So, it is a medium size tote. It is very similar to that of a Neverfull MM. It is in the color powder pink, and it has a ton. Yes, Liz Shopper medium in the color powder pink. And oops. It comes with the tote. I love the color. I love the gray and the pink together. Hopefully you can see that. They come with a pouch, which I love. And let me show you the pouch. It is a very small zipper. Comes with the authenticity card. I can't say that word for some reason. Very thin pouch. It's actually thinner than my other pouch. If I can find it. I can't even say it. I'm not going to say it. I can't speak right now. Has a D-ring right there. And very thin D-ring, but that's okay. Has a strap. Goes right here. So it's super thin now. That's okay. Love the zipper. Very thin compared to my other one. I'll have to do a comparison. Super light, super nice. I did pay full price, however, I did take advantage of the promotion that Bloomingdale's had, which was for every $100 you spend, it could be $25 in rewards. So I was able to get a pretty decent size reward. So I'm going to buy a couple things with that, and then I will, I think, be in purse piece for a while. I have purchased a couple of bags this year so far, but nothing this expensive. And it does have feet on the bottom, feet right here. So anyways, that is what I got. It is the powder pink MCM medium Liz shopper. So if you have any questions, please leave them below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.